Hello there. I hope you all are doing good. So, in this video, we'll be talking about principle sets out in business charter for sustainable production. So, let us start with the introduction. So, in the face of escalating environmental challenges, business are increasingly recognizing their responsibility to mitigate negative impact and promote sustainable practices. Sustainable economic growth provides the foundation and resources for societies to develop and prosper and for people to meet their needs and pursue their aspirations. It helps enable economic empowerment and poverty eradication. Sustainable production is the key to achieving long term success in any business. By upholding the principle of the business charter, company can ensure that they are operating in a way that is both profitable and environmentally responsible. So, we'll talk about the principles set out in business charter for sustainable production. We'll start with resource efficiency. This principle emphasizes the responsible use of natural resources. Business commit to minimizing waste and maximizing the efficiency of resource utilization in their production process. Renewable energy adaptation. Companies pledge to transition towards renewable energy sources to power their operation. This includes the use of solar, wind, hydro, and other sustainable energy alternatives. Waste reduction and recycling. Businesses commit to reducing waste generation and implementing effective recycling programs. This principle promotes the circular economy by ensuring that materials are reused and recycled whenever possible. Pollution prevention. Companies undertake measures to prevent pollution and minimize emission of harmful substances into the environment. This includes air and water pollution as well as the responsible handling of hazardous materials. Product life cycle analysis. Firms conduct thorough assessments of their products' entire life cycle from production to disposal. This helps identify opportunities for improvement in terms of environmental impact. Supply chain sustainability. This principle emphasizes the importance of extending sustainable practices throughout the entire supply chain. Businesses work with suppliers and partners to ensure that sustainable practices are upheld at every stage of production. Biodiversity conservation. Companies commit to protecting and preserving biodiversity in their operational areas. This involves measures to safeguard natural habitat and ecosystem from harm or degradation. Employee welfare and well-being. The charter promotes fair labor practice, including safe working conditions, fair wages, and opportunities for personal and professional development. This also includes promoting diversity and inclusion within the workforce. Community engagement and social responsibility. Businesses actively engage with local communities and contribute positively to society. This can involve supporting local initiatives, providing employment opportunities, and participating in philanthropic efforts. Transparency and accountability. Companies commit to being transparent about their sustainability efforts. This includes disclosing relevant information about their environmental and social performance, as well as setting measurable targets and reporting progress. Tools for sustainable business management. Specific tools for translation of general requirements of sustainable development into manageable demands are necessary. The Sustainability Balance Scorecard is the central tool for the development and implementation of sustainable business strategies. In order to identify the position of an enterprise related to sustainable development, the concept of sustainability cube is discussed. With this instrument, the social, economical, and ecological dimension of sustainable development within an enterprise can be measured. A tool for sustainable design of new products or services is the sustainable oriented quality function deployment. Advantages. So here we'll be talking about the advantages about all this. So our first point is environmental conservation. Implementing the charter promotes eco-friendly practices leading to reduced pollution, conservation of natural resources, and biodiversity preservation. Positive public image. Business adhering to sustainable practices enhance their reputation, attracting environmentally conscious consumers and investors, thereby increasing market share and profitability. Compliance and legal benefits. Adhering to sustainable production standards ensure compliance with environmental regulation, reducing the risk of legal issues and associated fines. Innovation and efficiency. Embracing sustainability often drives innovation, leading to the development of efficient process, green technologies, and cost-effective solutions. So let's talk about some of the disadvantages of the initial investment. Transitioning to sustainable practice often requires significant initial investment. Thank you for being a part of this session. I hope you guys enjoyed it well. See you next time.